Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to study about section formula in coordinate geometry, guys. So without wasting much time, let us start this. Suppose you are given 2 points A, B and the coordinate of this AB. Okay, let me take this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. If I say one point is here P, then if we are having coordinate of this point, we can find out that P divides this into two parts. So some ratio will form of AP is to PB. That ratio we can find out if the coordinate of this P is given to you, or if the ratio is given to you. At that time, you can find out the coordinate with the help of a formula called section formula. So, base is, if ratio is given to u of P, you can find out the coordinate of P. And if the coordinate of P is given to you, you can find out the ratio. In what ratio this P divides this line segment AB. Then, with the help of formula called section formula. Here we are having two different formulas separately for x, for finding x and for finding y. For finding x we are having, let me show you how you can easily remember. Just you need to write down m1 m2 in the denominator and then m1 x2 plus m2 x1. This is the formula for x, and for y, let me write down y here. Y equals to, again m1 plus m2 in the denominator and then m1 y2 plus m2 y1 in the numerator. So what are these x1, y1, m1? Let me tell you guys. These coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and this ratio is called m1 and m2 and the coordinate of this P is called x and y. So what you are finding x and y, that is coordinate of P. This m1, m2 is ratio of P and x1, y1, x2, y2 are the coordinates of A and B. So this is our section formula by which whenever ratio is given, you can find out the coordinate is given, you can find out the ratio. So let us start by solving one sum. Look here. Here one line segment AB and the coordinate of line segment A and B are given to you and the ratio of P is given to you, that P divides this AB in the ratio 3:2. We can find out the coordinate of P. How? With the help of section formula. That is, x is equals to m1 plus m2 and in numerator also m1 but with x2 plus m2 x2 and y equals to m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m1 y. Okay, sorry, m2 y. So now let us keep the value for finding x. We are having the ratio m1 plus m2 3 2. So 3 plus 2. Now here m1 is 3, x2 we have to see here. Take this as x1 y1. Take this as x2 y. So we are having x2 as 9 plus m2 is 2 and x1 that is 4. So 9 3s are 27 plus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 2 5. So 15 carry 1 3 30 by 5. So x will be 7. So 7 comma. Now y we need to find out with this one. Y equals to, again 3 plus 2 in the denominator, 3 into y2. What is y2 here? 7 plus 2 into y1, that is minus 3. So 21 minus 3 2s are minus 6 upon 5. So 15 by 5. Here you will get y equals to 3. So directly 3 keep it here. So you can see guys, with the help of this two coordinate and ratio, we have find out the coordinate of P. Now, whenever coordinate is given to you, at that time you can find out the ratio also. Let us go with the next example. Here you can see A and B, and the coordinates of A and B is given, and one point P is between them somewhere, and they are given coordinate of P also, but we don't know the ratio. So here in both the values of X and Y, you will get ratio. So if you want to check that, you can check also. How? Let me show you. Section formula: X equals to M1 plus M2 by M1 X2 plus M2 X1, and Y equals to M1 plus M2 M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1. Now we are having value, this, take this as X1 Y1, X2 Y2, and this will be X and Y. So out of this, from any of one of these formulas, directly you will get the answer. But if you want to check, then you can check with the second one also. Let me show you how. We know that value of X is 2. We don't know what is M1 and M2. M1, and we are having X2, that is 4. X2 is 4, you can see here, plus M2, and X1 is minus 2. Take this M1 plus M2 on this side, so you will get 2M1 plus 2M2. How I got? I have multiplied this 2 with both these guys, okay, equals to 4M1 minus 3M2. Always keep in mind that you need to find out the ratio of M1 is to M2 and not M2 is to M1. Please keep that in mind. Let me show you where you will make mistake. Now take this 2M1 on that side and minus 3M2 on this side. So what will happen? 2M2 was already here. Now take this minus on that side. So that will be 3 plus 3M2, and here 4M1. This plus 2M1 will become minus 2M1 on this side. So here you will get 2M1, and here you will get 5M2. Now what generally students are making mistake here, what they do, they take this M1 here and take this 2 here, and they say the ratio is 2 by 5. That is totally wrong. Always take M1 by M2. So what you need to do, you need to take this 2 in the denominator here, 5 by 2, and here M1 was there, take M2 in this side, that will come in denominator on that. So M2. So ratio here M1 by M2. Every time you need to find out M1 by M2 only. If you are finding M2 by M1, then your answer will be wrong. So here the ratio is 5 is to M1 is to M2, will be 5 is to. If you want to check, you can check that by keeping all these values of Y1, Y and Y2 in this, and here also you will get M1 by M2 as 5 by 2 only. You can do that by yourself, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. And still, if you are having any doubt, guys, you can join me on Unacademy app. Regularly I am taking free live lectures in morning 9 AM. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET Foundation and NTSC, and for free classes also you need to use my code referral code Galaxy Coaching, and for plus subscription you can use my code Galaxy Coaching, so that you will get 10% discount. After registering, just search my profile name Chetan Wadadia and click on the follow button, so that you will get notification of all my free classes, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you.